Hey, listen, if you believe in God, I want to show you something. After struggling to pay the bills, we've manifested a new Mercedes-Benz S-Class and $1 million per year income. From before, we were barely scraping by, but we remained faithful and put our trust in God. One day at church, our pastor shared with us a 20-word script that was recently discovered in the Bible by researchers, and it's completely changed our lives. Our kids now go to a private school, and we don't worry about our finances anymore. I've left a button, a link below that you can click to get this 20-word script. Now listen, I'm spending money out of my own pocket to advertise this video to you, because I want this in the hands of as many people as possible. So if you're a person of faith, if you're ready to begin manifesting financial freedom while serving the Lord, this is for you. If you're an atheist, this isn't for you. But if you believe in God, click the button. Click the link below this video to get the 20-word script that changed our lives.